Hi everyone, it's Leon from Elite Fitness Goals. Today we're going to go over how to do a plank. So what we want is a direct line down from our shoulders to our elbows. So make sure your elbow is directly below your shoulder. We're going to look forward in front of us, maintaining the neutral neck position. From here, feet are going to be about hip width apart. From here, we're going to lift up, engage through the core, pull the belly button in, engage the glutes. So you want to hold this position. What we don't want to do is let our hips sag like this, and we don't want to have them lifted up high like that. If you need to, come down, reset, and go again. It's better to have good form, good posture whilst you're doing this exercise than do it completely wrong and not engage in your core properly. If you can't do that, what we can do is plank on our knees to start off with. So same things apply, straight line down from our shoulders to our elbows, looking forward in front of us, maintaining that neutral neck position. We're going to lift up through the hips, engage the core, and hold. So after you got to the stage where you can hold this for maybe 30 seconds or so, then you'll go to doing it on your feet. I hope this video helps you how to do your planks. For more exercise demonstrations, check out our YouTube channel, Elite Fitness Goals. If you want to get a program with all exercise demonstration links on there, go to our website, elitefitnessgoals.com.